Every single day, over 7 million blog posts are published online. Now, when you search something on Google, how does it magically pick 10 results from billions of pages? That process is called SEO, and we will talk about this in the next 2 minutes. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It helps websites appear higher in search results and attract more organic, unpaid traffic. If your website is properly optimized, when people search for something relevant, it has a better chance to show up first. There are three core steps of search engines: crawling, indexing, and ranking. First, search engine bots scan the whole website to find new pages. Then, discovered pages are analyzed and stored in a massive database. Finally, algorithms rank them by relevance and authority. Every optimization inside your website is referred as on-page SEO. It includes keyword optimization, high quality and relevant content, HTML tags, images, internal links, etc. Everything outside your website that helps you to build your credibility and authenticity is called off-page SEO. It includes link building, brand mentioning, social media, influencer marketing, etc. Technical SEO is like the behind-the-scenes stuff. It includes site speed, mobile responsiveness, site maps, schema markup, and crawlability. Organic search still drives around 53% of all website traffic. And guess what? Google alone holds nearly 90% of the global search market. Unlike ads, SEO does not stop working where you stop paying. It compounds over time, just like digital interest. So yes, SEO is still very much alive even with the rise of AI. The truth is, SEO is not any shortcut hack to win overnight. It's a long game to play. If you focus on intent, quality, and user satisfaction, you will be rewarded eventually. Check description box for free SEO template and subscribe for more details. Thank you.